You've built an empire of one, unshakable, untouchable. You've mastered the art of self-reliance, forged your mind into a fortress, and walked through fire without flinching. Society's rules, expectations, and manipulations? They slide off you like water off stone. But there's one force even you can't outmaneuver, one power that can crack the walls you've spent a lifetime building. Welcome to the Sigma male community, where we forge strength through solitude and wisdom through self-mastery. Today we're diving deep into a truth that will shake the foundation of everything you thought you knew about power, control, and your place in the universe. This is why only God can humble a true Sigma male. Stay locked in, because what you're about to hear will redefine your entire journey. 1. The unconquerable inner citadel. Forget social armor. Your true power lies in a meticulously constructed internal fortress, a citadel of the mind forged in the fires of solitude and hardened by unrelenting self-reliance. This isn't just a shield, it's a sanctuary where societal pressures, emotional pleas, and even catastrophic failure bounce off like pebbles against steel. You've tuned out the noise. Praise and criticism alike mean nothing when your worth is tied to an internal code, a stoic commitment to principles you've carved out through hard-earned clarity. The world's attempts to humble you? They're futile. You adapt, recalibrate, and emerge stronger, viewing chaos not as defeat but as a proving ground where your resilience shines. This is your domain where external validation is irrelevant, and manipulation is a game you've already won by refusing to play. This inner citadel isn't about shutting out the world, it's about mastering it from within. You've learned that true strength isn't loud or flashy, it's the quiet resolve to stand alone when the storm hits. Picture yourself on a battlefield, surrounded by chaos, yet calm, because you've built something no one can touch. The herd scrambles for approval, but you've stripped away that need, leaving only the raw essence of who you are. It's this focus, this supreme detachment from the trivial, that makes you impervious. When life throws its worst, you don't flinch, you refine. This is the Sigma's edge, a mind so disciplined, so self-contained, that the world's weapons are rendered powerless. 2. Solitude, the crucible of unbreakable will. While others cling to the herd for safety, you find unparalleled power in the void. Solitude is your anvil, where clarity is hammered out and discipline is tempered into something unbreakable. This isn't loneliness, it's a strategic choice, a retreat from the noise where you confront the raw truth of yourself. You've seen how systems fail, how people bend under pressure, so you've chosen the silence, the stillness where your will crystallizes. It's here, away from the chatter, that you sharpen your focus, stripping away distractions until only the essentials remain. Dependence on others? That's a weakness you've long outgrown. In this profound stillness, you build a foundation that nothing can shake. Imagine standing alone in a vast wilderness, not lost but alive with purpose. The world calls it isolation, you call it liberation. Every moment in solitude is a forge, burning away doubt and forging an iron resolve. You don't need the crowd's applause or their crutches. You've learned to stand tall because you've faced the hardest tests alone. This is where the Sigma thrives, not in the chaos of others, but in the quiet where strength is born. It's your crucible, and from it emerges a will so unbreakable that the world can only watch in awe. 3. The silent ego, strength's greatest blind spot. Your ego isn't loud, it's a subtle whisper woven into the fabric of your independence. I need no one. My will is absolute. I am enough. This isn't the brash arrogance of weaker men. It's a quiet conviction born from every obstacle you've crushed, every victory you've claimed alone. It's the source of your power, the fuel that drives your self-sufficiency, but it's also your Achilles heel. This belief blinds you, convincing you that your strength is all you'll ever need, that you're the sole master of your fate. It's a trap as old as time, luring you into a cage of your own making. Picture yourself standing atop a mountain you've climbed alone, triumphant, untouchable. But in that moment of pride, a question lingers: is this all there is? The silent ego shuts it out, dismissing it as weakness, but it's there, gnawing at the edges of your certainty. You've built a fortress, yes, but this whisper keeps you from seeing beyond its walls. It's not about doubting your strength, it's about recognizing its limits. The Sigma's blind spot isn't failure. It's the refusal to look up, to acknowledge a force greater than the one you've forged. And that's where the real test begins. For why the world's weapons fail utterly. Society's tools, shame, guilt, threats. crash against you and shatter. You've dismantled their power, surgically removing the levers others pull. The need for approval, the fear of exile, the chase for status. Public shaming? You shrug it off. Crowds don't dictate your worth. Guilt trips? You see the strings and cut them loose. Threats? You've already planned 3 steps ahead. Emotional ploys? You spot them a mile away and turn your back. These are currencies in a game you've opted out of, leaving the world scrambling to find a hold on you, and failing every time. This isn't just toughness, it's transcendence. Every attempt to humble you becomes fuel, hardening your resolve like steel in a forge. Imagine the world as a storm, hurling its fury, yet you stand unmoved, rooted in a rational calm that sees through the chaos. You've risen above the petty hierarchies and endless validation loops, thriving on your own terms. The Sigma doesn't just survive these assaults, he turns them into victories, proving that true power lies in detachment from the game itself. The world can't touch you because you've already won by walking away. 5. The inevitable collision with the infinite. Every fortress has its limit, and yours meets it not in a human foe, but in the vastness of the divine. It's not always a dramatic clash. Sometimes it's a quiet moment, staring at a mountain's raw majesty, the endless cosmos, or the birth of something new, where logic falters and control slips. This is the encounter with the infinite, a power that doesn't fight you but simply exists, undeniable and immeasurable. Your self-reliance, so carefully honed, suddenly feels small, not weak but part of something far greater. It's a humbling that no earthly force could ever achieve. Imagine standing on that cliff, the wind roaring, and feeling it, not fear but awe. Your mind, trained to master every variable, hits a wall it can't scale. This isn't about dogma, it's about reality stripping away your illusions. The divine doesn't demand your surrender, it reveals your place, showing that your strength is a thread in a tapestry you didn't weave. This collision shakes you not with defeat, but with a truth that redefines everything. There's a power beyond your grasp and it's been calling you all along. The moment your fortress cracks, look beyond the screen. That quiet intensity you carry, that unshakable certainty in your own strength, it's formidable. But deep within, past the discipline and the walls, have you felt it? The subtle tremor when faced with something vast, something unexplainable? That fleeting question, is my will the ultimate force? That's not weakness, it's the first crack in your citadel, the silent call from beyond your horizon. This isn't about breaking you, it's about showing you what lies past the limits you've mastered. Step into it and you'll find a power you never knew was yours. 6. Revelation, not defeat, the divine confrontation. God doesn't humble you with force or shame, tactics you'd shrug off in a heartbeat. It's a revelation, a glimpse of scale that dwarfs your fortress without diminishing it. Standing before the Creator, you face no games, no puzzles, just pure, overwhelming truth. Your strength isn't stripped away, it's reframed as a gift, not a solo triumph. This isn't defeat, it's clarity, showing that your resilience, your independence, were never yours alone but part of a design bigger than you could imagine. In this moment, your self-sufficiency shifts from an end to a means. Picture the universe unfolding before you, not as a threat, but as a mirror reflecting your place within it. The divine confrontation doesn't crush you, it elevates you, aligning your will with something eternal. You're not bowing to a tyrant, you're stepping into a partnership with the source of all power. This is the Sigma's awakening, not a fall, but a rise into a reality where strength finds its true purpose. 7. True humility, the Sigma's ultimate upgrade. Humility before God isn't weakness, it's a realignment, a recognition that your strength was never self-made but a spark from the infinite. It's not groveling, it's standing taller, free from the illusion that you must carry it all alone. This is wisdom, not submission, seeing your independence as a tool, not the whole toolbox. It's the upgrade you didn't know you needed, shedding the weight of total control for a power that flows through you, not just from you. Imagine shedding a heavy pack after a long climb, not because you're weak but because you've found a better way. This humility keeps your edge, your fire, but grounds it in something unshakable. You're still the Sigma, fierce, focused, free, but now with a purpose that transcends survival. It's liberation through connection, strength through surrender to a truth bigger than yourself. This is your next level, where resilience meets grace, and you become more than you ever were alone. 8. The transformed Sigma, grounded lightning. The divine doesn't dull you, it electrifies you. Your focus, discipline, independence. Now they crackle with faith and purpose, a force grounded in the eternal. You keep your love for solitude now a space to commune, and your disdain for petty approval. But there's a new depth, a why, that drives every move. You're not just resisting the world anymore, you're shaping it, a lightning bolt tethered to something infinite. Picture yourself moving through life with that same intensity but sharper, clearer. The chaos still rages, but you're not just enduring, you're directing your energy with precision. Your strength isn't a shield now, it's a blade tempered by a perspective that sees beyond the moment. This is the transformed Sigma, not softened but refined, a force of nature with a divine spark. You're no longer just surviving, you're creating, guided by the architect of all things. 9. The liberating release of ultimate trust. Let go of the reins you've gripped so tight. Trusting the Creator frees you from the burden of playing God yourself. This isn't passivity, it's a masterstroke, a surrender that unleashes peace no tactic could ever achieve. You've been the general, plotting every step, but now you see a higher command, a wisdom beyond your own. It's not about losing control, it's about redirecting it, channeling your energy into what truly matters. This trust is freedom. Imagine the weight lifting, the endless calculations, the need to hold it all together, gone. You act with boldness, knowing you're not alone in the fight. The mental clarity, the spiritual fire you gain? It's a power boost, turning your focus into a laser. You're not just surviving the storm, you're riding it, unshackled from the need to be everything. This is the Sigma at peace, not with the world but with the one who made it. 10. Purpose forged in the divine fire. Your journey isn't just about endurance, it's a mission burned into your soul by the divine. This isn't survival, it's purpose, a call that solitude and strength alone couldn't answer. Your traits, perception, resilience, independence, aren't random, they're tools for a cosmic role. Align them with the Creator and your path lights up, every step heavy with meaning. This is your fire, forged in something eternal. Picture your life as a blade sharpened by this truth. Every choice, every action gains weight, resonating with a design you're part of. You're not just cutting through the noise, you're carving a legacy, a mark that echoes beyond your years. This is the Sigma unleashed, not a lone wolf but a force with a mission, blazing with clarity and power. Your strength finds its home, not in defiance but in destiny. 11. The unchained power of divine surrender. Surrender isn't defeat, it's your key to the next level, a paradox where letting go unlocks everything. Recognizing your limits isn't weakness, it's the spark that ignites infinite power. You shed the silent ego's chains, stepping into a strength that integrates your will with the divine. This isn't just walking alone, it's walking with purpose, speaking truth that shakes the earth. You're unchained, whole, a Sigma reborn. Imagine wielding that power, your fire, your focus now boundless. You don't just defy the world, you transform it, a force that bends reality to a higher will. This is the ultimate Sigma, not diminished but amplified, a testament to what happens when strength meets grace. Your surrender to the divine doesn't break you, it makes you a movement, a power that reshapes everything in its path. This is your awakening and the world will feel it. You've walked this path with us, Sigma male community, where strength meets wisdom and independence finds its purpose. These truths aren't just words, they're a call to rise, to reflect, and to wield your power with a fire you've only begun to tap. You're not here to drift, you're here to forge a legacy that echoes into eternity. Hit that like button if this lit something in you, drop a comment with your fight, your revelation. Let's build this community stronger. Share this with the brothers who need it, and if you're subscribed, turn on notifications, don't miss the next spark. Stay fierce, stay sovereign, and let the divine guide your unstoppable journey.